Hi, Aries. I am here with your July reading, and I'm just taking a look at these cards. The first thing that I'm seeing is that you recently made, I feel like, a big decision, okay? And this decision could have been, it's a decision that would shift your life in some way where it's risky, and I feel like you're going out on your own. You're wanting independence and freedom, and either you had to make some changes in a relationship or you left a relationship. You're moving, you left a job, or at least you decided to do this. And it's a bittersweet type situation because you have to do what's good for you. And you know that doing that might hurt some other people. But at the same time, for you right now, it's really about having your own, coming into your own power. And you don't want to have to depend on people to be able to get what you want at this point. For you, it's so important to be independent. I'm seeing. And I'm seeing that anybody that would enable you to be anything other than independent, you're really not, you're gaining space from this person. Or from these people. You're putting a distance between you and these people, or person, or whatever's causing you to have to depend on a person or to depend on something so much that it's taking your own power. You're making space between you and this thing, okay? But I feel like there's guilt. I feel like there's guilt because doing what's best for you doesn't always make other people happy, right? But also, I'm seeing as far as a relationship, if you Aries are in a relationship right now, you could be questioning whether you even want to be in that relationship, or you could have decided that you need some freedom and some space from the relationship and or the connection or whatever it is that's making you feel restricted. Whatever it is that's making you feel like you have to depend on it or it's suffocating you. You kind of just want to have fun right now. You don't want any heaviness. You know you have to make these moves to gain your independence. And some of you have already made the moves. And anything that's restricting you, anything that feels like it's burning out your fire, or it's um what am I trying to say? Anything that's putting out your fire, you're just like, I don't want no parts of it right now. Like, I really just want to have a good life. I just really want to have joy in my life, and I want to have fun. And I want to be the reason why I have these things. It's not that you don't need anybody. It's just that there's people in your life that have made it where when you're around these people, you feel like they're enabling you to be dependent. And I just keep hearing independence, independence, independence. It's like, it's just really important for you right now. It's really important to be able to prove to yourself what you can do. And it's really important for you to have choices and have your own stuff because of you, because you did it. It's like you're taking a leadership role right now that everybody might not be happy with, and maybe not everybody will understand, but yet it's going to make you happy. So I feel like now, for some of you, you feel like you went out on a leap, you took a leap of faith, but you're going back and forth if that leap of faith was the right thing to do. But I don't feel like it's because of your own feelings about it, I feel like it's because of others' feelings about it that's making you feel like, did I do the right thing? Am I sure? You know, what if I can't make it on my own? Or what if I can't make it with this new independence? What if I mess something up? What if I'm making the wrong decision? But I really feel like you need to know that you're not going to mess anything up. You can't miss what's for you. And I just want to show you something here too. Like the focus and the core of your reading is, I get what I focus on, and there are no wrong decisions. I grow from all my choices. So like, really, Aries, you guys are leaders. You know, there's nothing that you've been through or that you've done that you can't come back from. So, and I feel like these choices that you're making for you, like, look at this. With this passion ignited, victory and success, plus material harvest. Look at this. You're going to be just fine. You're going to be just fine. You're just going to have to get over, you're just going to have to be able to put some distance between how you feel and how others feel about your decisions right now. You're just going to have to be okay with your own decisions and trust yourself, because there could be something that's pulling you back. There could be something that's saying, no, I don't want you to do that. Or somebody that's saying, no, I don't want you to make that choice for you right now. People could be wanting you to do it their way because of how they feel. And, you know, how they feel is how they feel, you know. But I feel like the most important person in your life right now has got to be you. And I'm not telling you anything that you don't know. And I also feel like what will bring you freedom is to be honest with these people. To speak your truth. You guys know you're good at speaking your truth. Like, especially if you get put up against a wall, you'll be quick with that mouth. Like, nope, this is how it is. And that's all there is to it. You know, like, you'll start to be like, I don't want to say rebel, but you'll get very strong in how you feel. And I feel like that's what you should do. But for those of you that are in a relationship where you've had to make some big change, or in a connection, or I'm seeing that you probably will end up telling this person, you know, like, I still want to be your friend, or I still want you in my life, but I don't really want a relationship with you right now. I feel like you're going to let them know. You're going to speak your truth. You're going to tell them how it is and how you feel. But just know, like, you're not making the wrong decision here. You're doing what's best for you. And you can never go wrong doing what's best for you. You can never go wrong. Right now, you're feeling this pull to have your own independence. You're feeling this pull to build up your practical life and make these big changes. And I feel like you're moving in the right direction. You know, don't get bogged down by what other people feel. Don't feel so guilty that you're not able to enjoy this independence too. I mean, I know some of these situations might be bittersweet. I understand it's going to come with a mixed bag of emotions, but, you know, still enjoy this process, because I see a lot of great things coming for you. I see more money coming for you. For some of you, it's a big move. Some of you are moving out of state. But I see these as, like, I see this as exactly where you need to be. You're on the right path here. You might have to leave some people behind, but I feel like it's going to be what's best for you. And eventually you're going to know that. Actually, I feel like you probably already do deep down know that. But just make sure you gain distance between your feelings and the people that are affected by this. Okay, so that's what I have for you this month, guys. If you would like to take a more in-depth look at your situation, my information for personal readings are down below.